Hi viewers, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Free Class for All. And guys, today video is all about regarding the offer letter because some people have so many doubts regarding the salary packages and regarding the job locations. So I decided to make a video on offer letter because in detail about our job, I mean our position, it will be given in the offer letter. So I decided to share what's in offer letter. Okay, this is my offer letter. Here you can see, here this is the offer letter of mine. And then you can see here the first thing is date of joining and work location, which the date that you have been given, that it is your date of joining. So I will start from the offer of permanent position. I'll start from the fourth point. Like it will be like it will training period. First of all, it is the position of business development associate, but will not be in a business development associate, which is not in a BDA. Just for the 2 months we will be in the position of BDT, which is business development trainee. If we feel successfully complete our training, then we will be promoted as a BGA. But we applied for the position of BDA, but for the 2 months it will be like a trainee position. They will give some targets for you. If you will complete the targets, then you will be continue as a BDA. Otherwise you will not be part of the company. Okay, it like there will be two type of in BDA. There will be two positions. One is inside sales and outside sales. And for the inside sales, it will be 8 lakhs per annum after successful completion of the training. Before that it will be like 3 lakhs per annum, like without incentives, because intensive will be based upon your performance. So I'm not saying about incentives. Before training it will be 3 lakhs per annum, after training it will be 5 lakhs per annum. So intensive will be 3 lakhs. For training period will be varied for 2 lakhs. After training will be for 3 lakhs, means 8 lakhs per annum you will get if you successfully complete your training. And you can see here department designation and reporting manager. Department will be business development and your position will be business development trainee. It's nothing but sales. And role location will be Bangalore. And one thing I need to say, that cost of the company, your compensation is 25k per month. You're also eligible for performance of like 2 lakhs will be like incentive. It will be based upon your performance, and 2 months will be training period for you, and deductions will be common, and it will be around 21k. It will be in your hands. And company policies, leaves, generally 5 days per week will be mandatory, 2 days will be week off. But if you will not meet the targets, you need to work on week offs also. And you can see here that there is no bond here. It is the good thing that there is no bond. If you are interested or passionate in sales department, you can go for that, no problem. Okay, I am clearly mentioning here only the main points I am mentioning here. Okay, regarding that, you are requested to carry the below mentioned documents on your joining date, because if there is no COVID situation, you need to go for the Bangalore location. You need to give these these documents to them. You need to give these documents to him. Otherwise, this is due to this COVID situation, this is like a onboarding through online. So 10th 12th graduation mark sheets and Byju's offer letter, resume, it should be updated, pan, Aadhaar card mandatory, and voter ID, passport, driving license. Among these three, one should be mandatory, like bank statement book, and 3 passport size photographs. And last two will be like only for the, like it is only for the experienced candidates. And one thing I need to mention, not in this, I got mail in that they clearly mentioned that about the job details, they have been clearly mentioned. I'm going to see in that, I will going to show in that next video. But in that mail they clearly mentioned that due to this COVID situation, you are need to work from home itself. After opening our companies, then you need to come to our job location, you need to work. Means it like, in my opinion, it will be like 2 months, which is training period, it should be work from home. If the COVID situation is better, then companies will be open. You need to go for the Bangalore, which is the job location. Otherwise, but compulsory you need to go for the job location in Bangalore. But 2 or 3 months it will be vary, because based upon the situation, current scenario. Okay, it is the thing I need to share for you all. Here you are all have been seen. If you want, I will add screenshots to you. If anybody want to know in detail about this offer letter, I'm going to add screenshot for you. If you want, please comment me in the comment section, no problem. I will share some of I will share screenshot of the offer letter to you, because if you are interested. And some people are saying like is this job is good or bad, like that. It's based upon your interest, because if you are passionate to grow yourself in a sales field, then it is going to be good job for you. If you are not interested, if you are thinking only about the money, or if you are thinking, then you can't do work here, because it should be, if you want to good, if you want to be good in that company, and if you want to meet the targets, it should be like a passion oriented. If you have passion, definitely you will going to achieve the targets. If you don't have passion, you don't want to do hard work, right? So it's based upon your interest. My opinion is, if you have interest, or if you want I do hard work, then go for it, no problem. Otherwise, if you don't want, leave it and search for any other companies, because so many MNC companies has been releasing the notifications regarding the job opportunities. So guys, I need to say one thing for you all. This my channel is free class for all. This channel is much more related to the job updates and the government job updates, like notifications from the SSC, RRB, and many more government sectors, and about the gate 2. So if anybody want any information regarding what's going on in our state, what's going on in our India, then definitely please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to update all good information in this channel, and I'm going to upload many more videos which is related to top MNC companies job updates. If anybody are much more interested in MNC companies, please subscribe to my channel. And also please like this video. If you are like this video, please like this video, because if you like this video, if I want to do more videos related to this particular scenario, okay. And also one thing, if you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section. Feel free to ask, no problem. I'm going to answer for your all questions with patience. And also, if you have any doubts, please ask me. And I also sent offer letter. I also sent verifications background verification form to all the people who sent me mail. If anybody want, send mail to me, definitely I'm going to send you. Okay, like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please, if you have any feedback, definitely go, please comment me in the comment section. I will improve myself. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.